Still on 30 reasons why you should be online. Before we continue on reason number 13, we are appealing to you to, if you are new to our channel, to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can click on the subscribe button below and please subscribe. And also want to invite friends or show friends, share it with friends so that they too can watch our YouTube channel as we educate everyone about what they can do to be online. So reason number 13, because we have 30. Reason number 13 is your kitchen routine. Yes, cooking. What are you doing in your kitchen? Can you teach people the kind of soup you make? Perhaps your traditional soup, your culture, how your culture prepare a particular kind of meal. You have it, you know it. Why not teach people how to produce such soup, how to produce such meals, how to produce such fantastic meal, the kind of ingredients you use, your kitchen routine. Teach people. It doesn't take much from you to teach people how to learn. You don't have to be a caterer. You don't have to be a chef. No. That traditional style of food or soup or food or meal that you can produce it, let people see it. You'll be surprised and amazed at the number of people you could reach with it. So teach people how to cook. That is reason number 13 why you should be online. Reason number 14 is shopping. Yes. Can you teach people how to shop? You go into the shopping mall, you go to market, you go to the shop, you go to the stores. Can you teach people how they purchase things, how they buy, and why they should buy, how they buy, what you buy, and so on. That's another reason why you should be online. So you can be online for that purpose, for that reason, teaching people how to go shopping. So that is reason number 14. Shopping. Teach people how to do their shopping and how they purchase certain things. Some don't even know how to negotiate prices. You could use that as a way of teaching people how to negotiate. And that could be very fine and they will like it. Reason number 15. Reason number 15 is are you into real estate? Are you into real estate? If you are into real estate, why not teach people? Perhaps you know how to build, you know how to construct. Go online and teach people. Real estate. Teach people about real estate. Teach people about how they could get properties. Teach people how they could rent houses, rooms, how they could do renting. Why not teach people? Teach people how they could rent, what they can rent. So tell people about it, and they will want to learn from you and what they should look out for, the do's and don'ts of landlords. They could learn from you so that they will know what to watch out for, the pitfalls, and how to negotiate accommodations. It could be something they want to learn from you. So when we go into real estate, we'll be talking about building and construction later in this video. We're talking about building and construction. So reason number 16 is, are you an artisan? You're into building, perhaps you are a bricklayer, like we call it locally here, a mason, into plumbing, you're an electrician, how to repair, go into electronics, you know how to do it. Why not come online and teach people how to do simple repairs? Do it yourself. Simple repairs. And so instead of calling perhaps a mason or a bricklayer, or you calling an electrician to come and correct some wires in your place, but watch out for your electric. If you are going into electrical work, watch out. You have to be a professional, so I know how to put off the power while you want to work. But for plumbing as well, simple ones you could do. So watch as others are doing. You can teach people. how to do it, what they should look out for before they go into that plumbing in their house. Perhaps there's a burst pipe, they want to do simple repair. They have an electric wire to fix, they want to do simple repair. You can teach people what to do so that they can do simple repairs. They can do it themselves. So if you're an artisan, along with getting contracts to do building and build and your contract for your work, you can teach online and let people learn from you. So that is reason number 16 why it should be online. Reason number 17 is, do you have anything that is trending? You can bring in trending topics. You can have a YouTube channel where you show trending topics. You go online. You're always out there. You record things. Make sure they are authentic, original, and you put them online. Make sure they are not copyrighted, or you will not have copyright issues. Make sure if it requires you taking permission, you've taken the appropriate permission from those who originally own that script. Then you can go on YouTube channel to publish them. If you go on YouTube channel, you can do research on all this, how to go about it and what to do. You can DM the companies or the individual that have that and will tell you what to do. So do your research on such things before you start. Another is technology. Are you a tech expert? Can you teach people what it requires for them to go into simple repairs? Or you are a tech expert and you are into it and you want people to come to you. That should be another reason why you should be online. If you are a tech expert, why not promote your business online? Why not be online? Like I said previously, that you are number one YouTube content. You have to be online to get, that's where you are the content. Promote your content online. You should be online. When you are online, you'll be able to help people. You're able to introduce your business to people. You're able to reach more people than you have presently. Because you are not online, it will reduce or restrict the number of persons you could reach at a particular time. You will be surprised. As soon as you launch a channel, or launch your products online, or launch your online channel where you could reach more people, you'll be surprised the number of people that could come to you for your business. So that is reason number 18. You want to promote. If you're a tech expert, go into your technology and show people, tell people what you could do. So that is reason number 18. So reason number 19 is, are you into banking and finance? Banking and finance. Are you a banking expert? Can you teach people about currencies? People want to know what they want to do. Even when they go to bank, people want to know what they want to do when they go to bank. People want to know what they should do when they have difficulties in their bank. So if you are a bank expert or financial expert, you teach people. Some want to go into stock. So why not teach people? I'll talk about stock later also. So teach people about it. So banking and finance, you are a bank expert, teach people about it and let people know you better, and you can help people a lot. That is reason number 19. So reason number 20 is health. Are you a doctor? Are you a nurse? Are you a lab scientist? Are you a pharmacist? That's another beautiful reason why you should be online. If you are a doctor, you are a nurse, you are a lab scientist, you are a pharmacist, another healthcare agent or worker, why not come online? Why not introduce what you can do to people online? There are so many people online. There are some information they want to get before they want to go to the hospital. There are some information they want to get before they could buy that drugs. They want more information. Sometimes going to a particular healthcare location might be some distance away. But because you are online to put them through to help them get the information, give them the information, and they get the information from you, they rely on you. Since you are a health expert and you give them suggestions, you will see they will follow, they will listen. And where it requires that they must be in the hospital, tell them they should be in the hospital for so and so reason. So if you are a health expert, that's another reason why you should go online. Teach people. Yes, are you into Forex trading? Are you into Forex trading? This is reason number 21. Forex trading. In fact, any Forex trader that is not online is not ready to do business. Any Forex trader that is not online is not ready to do business. If you want to be successful in Forex trading, to get more clients, to get more customers, to get more people to patronize you, be online. That's another reason why you should be online. That is reason number 21. Business you could do online. Forex trading. Teach people. Go online. Go to YouTube. Google Forex trading. You will see several companies online and what they are doing. Individuals that are all there. Stockbrokers. You see stockbrokers that are there helping people, getting a lot of clients here and there because they are online. So be online. Teach people how to go into Forex trading. Reason number 22 is transportation. Are you into transport? Perhaps commercial transportation. That's a very big reason why you should be online. So many transport companies are online. People who want to move from one location to another, before they move, they want to check online which transport companies they want to use, which transport vehicle I want to use. You register your transport company with government, you go online and you see you do very well. So go online. You'll be able to help many people. They need advice before they move from one location to another. So keep your cab clean and tell people what you can do, and they'll be ready to follow and take your cab. Go to these places. You will like it, and they too will enjoy it. So that is reason number 22, transportation. The reason why you should be online. Another reason why you should be online is reason 23 here is, do you have a driving school? Can you promote your driving school online? Do you have a driving school? Promote your driving school online. So promoting your driving school online will help people to also reach you. So that is reason number 23 why you should be online. Promote your driving school online. Teach people how they can drive. Safety tips. Driving safety tips. Yes, driving also requires safety. So take safety tips on driving. Why not promote such online? People will listen to you. Go online. You will see others who have been doing it. Carve a niche for yourself. Go online. You can do it. I know you can do it. So rehearse, research. You can do it online. So that is reason number 23. Reason number 24 is, are you an IT expert? Are you an IT expert? That's a beautiful reason why you should be online. I mean, you don't have to be told. For being an IT expert, that alone connotes that you are online. So if you're an IT expert and you are not online, then you shouldn't be an IT expert in the first place, because you promote everything about you are promoted online. People will reach you online. People will introduce your business online. People want to know what you are doing. So why not introduce it to people online? So that is reason number 24. Like I said earlier, I'm producing this series of video 3 because we have 30 to 34 reasons why you should be online. So these reasons that we have cannot be in just one video. So this number 2 in the series of video I'm producing on why you should be online. So like I said, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so, if you are new to our YouTube channel. And please click on the notification button too, so that whenever we upload a YouTube video, you get it. And remember our views. Please watch our videos and you get a lot from us. So this second of the series of videos we are producing. So the third one will follow as soon as we are done with this video.